What's up everybody, my name is Dylan Dole. I just bought this puppy for $56,000. I bought it about a month ago and now it's almost completely done. It's for rent right now for $1,000 bucks. I'm gonna show you what we did on the outside and what we did on the inside. We put new mulch right here. Landscaping is important. It's the first thing people see. Paint the outside, put new shutters on. Oh, hey there. What we did in here is we put new flooring in. Put a new fan in here. We always put LED lights in here because it makes the space look a lot bigger. We still have a mess over here in the corner that Dennis needs to clean up and he hasn't cleaned up yet. Oh, hey there. So in the kitchen, we put new stove, actually new used stove, new counters. The counters cost about 500 bucks. We kept the cabinets. They're actually in pretty good shape and they're nice wood and oak. Put new flooring, new paint, new fridge, new light fixture up there, and the new backsplash. And this is the peel and stick backsplash, so it's a lot easier. Basically what we did is we just replaced they had a smaller vanity in here. We put a bigger one, a 30-inch vanity. And then we put new flooring, kept the same toilet. We still gotta put the mirror up. Dennis broke the mirror, so we might have to get a new one. Oh, hey there. So this is the bedroom. This house is a 2-bedroom, 1 bath. One of the bedrooms is down here. One of the bedrooms is upstairs in the attic. So let me take you to the attic. Oh, hey there. So this is the attic. You're in the attic right now. So we added this accordion door in here. And the reason we did this because a normal door wouldn't fit in here because it's too small. So this is the master bedroom door. This is the castle in here. So we put new flooring in here, new trim, new everything. But the real reason this house is awesome is because it has a 4-car garage. Let me take you to the outside. So this is the outside. We put new gravel down all the way right here. What this cost was about 2,000 bucks. We used asphalt millings. It's basically just recycled gravel, so it's a lot cheaper than regular gravel. Let me show you the garage. All right, so what we did here, we painted it. Paint makes a huge difference. Look at that bad boy. Look how beautiful that looks. Power wash the doors. Let me see if it's open. We did put a new door right there. Did a pretty good job. They got all the shit out of the rafters. We put new windows over here. That's it. It comes with a 4-car garage, so it's pretty cool. You could use this for whatever you want. And that's how you do it. Let me know if you have any questions.